We started out with a Billy bookcase from IKEA, but the glass doors were going to show all of my daughter's stuff. So we took some really inexpensive burlap from Hobby Lobby, and we got about 3 yards of it, and then we were able to cut it in half. Then I took double-sided tape and just put a piece around the whole border of the framing. And this isn't meant to hold the burlap, but it's kind of extra reinforcement. I also ironed a couple creases out of the burlap, so that kind of helps keep it nice and flat. And I'm not going to pre-trim it yet. I'm just going to kind of set it in place with the double tape and make sure I have enough and it's nice and set. Then I'm going to go ahead and just take a tiny nail and pre-tap a hole. And this helps kind of start a spot for the thumbnail because the wood's pretty hard. And I just put a thumbnail every 6 inches or so, maybe every foot. And then I went ahead and trimmed around and removed all the excess, leaving a space for the hinge. And that's it, guys. And then I just loaded up her bookcase, got everything organized, and then the burlap looks great with the pin board and it hides all of her stuff. So she's pretty happy. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks so much.